Welcome back to our channel, Explained, where we discuss one interesting topic a day. In today's video, we will talk about evolutionary psychology. We'll be exploring the ways in which human behavior and cognition have evolved over time and the impact of evolutionary pressures on modern-day behavior. Evolutionary psychology is a fascinating field that is supported by scientific research and evidence and can help us understand why we behave the way we do. Let me know in the comments section below why we care about certain things or certain people. Do you think it's because of the evolutionary psychology? You can also find out the answer by the end of this video. Before we start, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. Evolutionary psychology is based on the idea that our behavior and cognition have been shaped by millions of years of evolution, and that natural selection has favored certain traits and behaviors that are better suited to survival and reproduction. For example, our ancestors lived in small, close-knit communities where cooperation and social interaction were essential for survival. As a result, we have evolved strong social instincts and a tendency to form close bonds with others. This is supported by research Holt Lundstedt, Smith and Layton in 2010 that shows that social support and social relationships are important predictors of health and well-being. Another key concept in evolutionary psychology is the idea of inclusive fitness. This refers to the idea that our genes are not just passed down to our offspring, but also to our close relatives. As a result, we may be more likely to engage in behaviors that benefit our close relatives, even if it comes at a cost to ourselves. This helps explain why we often put the needs of our family and community above our own individual interests. For example, research has shown that people are more likely to donate money to charity when the charity is framed as benefiting their community rather than just themselves. Sexual selection is another important area of research in evolutionary psychology. In many animal species, males compete with each other for the right to mate with females, and this has led to the evolution of elaborate displays and behaviors designed to attract mates. In humans, sexual selection has played a role in the development of physical traits such as height and facial symmetry, which are considered attractive by members of the opposite sex. This is supported by research that shows that taller men and women with more symmetrical faces are perceived as more attractive. Jealousy and mate guarding are also behaviors that have evolved as a way of protecting our social bonds and relationships, which were essential for survival in our ancestral environment. For example, research has shown that men and women both experience jealousy when they perceive their partner as a threat to their relationship, but they experience it in different ways. Men are more likely to experience jealousy in response to sexual infidelity, while women are more likely to experience jealousy in response to emotional infidelity. Critics of evolutionary psychology argue that it oversimplifies the complexity of human behavior and ignores the many cultural and environmental factors that also shape our psychology. However, proponents argue that evolutionary psychology offers a powerful framework for understanding the human mind and the ways in which it has been shaped by our evolutionary history. In conclusion, evolutionary psychology is a fascinating and well-supported field that offers valuable insights into human behavior and cognition. By examining the adaptive nature of our psychology, we can gain a deeper understanding of why we behave the way we do and how we can best adapt to the challenges of the modern world. While it is not without its controversies, evolutionary psychology offers a powerful framework for understanding the human mind and the ways in which it has been shaped by our evolutionary history. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content.